Chapter 7 Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. Introduction to PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a popular presentation software. It is developed by Microsoft. It is an important part of Microsoft Office suite. PowerPoint enables you to create and display interesting digital presentations using text, pictures, charts, graphics, diagrams, audio, video, animated special effects, and so on. Presentation. Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic format and order that shows the information about some particular topic. It displays information in the form of text, graphics, sounds, animation, and so on. Slide. A slide is like a digital page in an electronic presentation. It displays the information related to the topic. Each slide is displayed on the screen one after the other. Uses of a PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint presentation is used to present an idea and information. Companies and organizations use it to present information about their products and goals in workshops and meetings. Teachers use a PowerPoint presentation as a teaching tool. PowerPoint presentations use visual and audio effects which help in grabbing the attention of the audience. Starting PowerPoint 2016. To start Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, follow the steps given here. Click on Start button. Scroll down and select PowerPoint 2016 option. The start screen of PowerPoint 2016 appears as shown here. In the right pane, select the blank presentation option. No more. You can easily create a shortcut for Microsoft PowerPoint. To do so, drag its icon from the Start menu to the desktop. Components of MS PowerPoint 2016 window. MS PowerPoint 2016 interface consists of the following components. Title bar. It is the long horizontal bar present at the top of the window. It displays the name of the current presentation. By default, it shows Presentation 1. Control buttons like Minimize, Maximize, and Close are present at its right side. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the frequently used command buttons like Save, Undo, Redo, and Start from Beginning. It is located left to the title bar. You can customize it by adding or removing the buttons. File tab. It is located left to the Home tab. It is used to create, save, close, and print a presentation, and is also used to open a saved presentation. Ribbon. It is the broad bar containing tabs and groups for various commands. It is located right below the title bar. Tab. A group of related commands forms a tab. Each tab has its own ribbon. PowerPoint has different tabs. Group. A set of related commands on each tab is called a group. Rulers. There are two rulers, vertical left and horizontal top, in the PowerPoint work area. These rulers help the users to align the text, images, and other objects added on the slide. Slides pane. It is the main working area where you can add and edit the content such as text, images, and other objects. Placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted rectangular box. A placeholder can hold text, image, table, and other objects. Slides navigation pane. This pane is located at the left side of the slides pane. It displays the thumbnail view of all the slides of a presentation. You can select the desired slide to open it on the slides pane. Adding, deleting, moving slides, and more functions are possible through this pane. Status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the PowerPoint window is called the status bar. It displays the serial number of the active slide out of the total number of slides in a presentation. At the right side of the status bar, there are following components. Creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow these steps. Click on File tab. New option. The new screen appears. Double-click on the blank presentation option. A new presentation opens with a blank title slide layout, which is the default layout. Notice the slide has two placeholders. Entering text in a slide. To enter text in a slide, follow the steps. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor appears in the text box. Type Computer Lab. Bring the cursor inside the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder. Type Learn with Fun. You will notice that the entered text appears on the slide. Click anywhere outside the placeholder. No more. In PowerPoint 2016, text formatting options are available in the Font group on the Home tab. These options are similar to Word program. Saving a presentation. Click on the File tab. Select the Save option or click on the Save button present on the Quick Access toolbar. The Save As screen appears on the right pane. This PC option is selected by default. Click on the Browse button. The Save As dialog box appears. On the left pane, choose the desired location, drive or folder to save the presentation. In the File Name box, enter a suitable name for your presentation. Click on the Save button. Our PowerPoint presentation saves with the extension .pptx. For example, computerlab.pptx. Shortcut key. Press Ctrl plus S key combination to save a presentation. Note: when you save the same presentation next time, the Save As screen does not appear. It simply saves the changes. Closing a PowerPoint presentation. To close a presentation, click on the File tab, select the Close option. If the latest changes are not saved, MS PowerPoint prompts a message box as shown here. Choose the required option. Save option saves the changes before closing the presentation. Don't Save option closes the presentation without saving the latest changes made. Cancel option aborts the closing operation and takes the user back to the presentation. Opening a saved presentation. To open a saved presentation, follow the steps given here. Click on the File tab. Select the Open option. The Open screen appears on the right pane. Click on the Browse option. The Open dialog box appears on the screen. Locate and select the desired file. Click on the Open button. Slide layout. A slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components on the slide. It provides you with different ways to position your text, images, and other graphic options. Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 offers 9 different slide layouts. Let us learn about some of the commonly used slide layouts. Title slide. It is the default slide layout of an MS PowerPoint presentation. Using this layout, you can give title and subtitle to your presentation. There are two placeholders in this slide layout: title and content. This slide layout contains two types of placeholders. The placeholder at the top is used to add a title. The bottom placeholder can be used to add objects such as text, images, graphics, audio, videos, charts, and so on. Title only. This slide layout can be used when you want to add only a title and no subtitle. Comparison. In this layout, you will find a placeholder for the title and two vertical content placeholders for adding either text, graphics, or both. This slide layout can be used to compare texts or graphics. Blank. This slide layout does not contain any placeholders. A user can customize it as per the requirement. Adding a new slide. MS PowerPoint lets you add unlimited number of slides to a presentation. By default, a PowerPoint presentation opens with a single slide. To insert a new slide in a presentation, follow the steps given here. Click on the Home tab. In the Slides group, click on the New Slide button drop-down arrow. A drop-down menu appears displaying the 9 different slide layouts. Select the desired layout and click. A new slide and the selected layout appears on the Slides pane as well as on the Slides navigation pane. Shortcut key. Press Ctrl+M key combination to add a new slide in a presentation. Press Ctrl+N key combination to create a new presentation. Deleting a placeholder. To delete a placeholder, follow the steps. Select the placeholder by clicking on its border. Press Delete key. To delete multiple placeholders at a time, hold down Ctrl key and click on the border of each placeholder and then press Delete key. Deleting a slide. To delete a slide in normal view, follow any of the given methods. Method 1. In the Slides pane, select the slide to be deleted from the presentation. Press Delete or Backspace key. Method 2. In the Slides navigation pane, right-click on the slide thumbnail that you wish to delete. In the shortcut menu, select the Delete Slide option as shown here. Tip: you can add a new slide, duplicate a slide, delete a slide, and change the layout of a slide using the shortcut menu. Right-click on the desired slide and select the required option in the context menu. Inserting a shape in a slide. To insert a shape, follow the steps given here. On the Insert tab, click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. Choose the desired shape in the drop-down menu. Bring the pointer onto the work area. Keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the pointer to draw the selected shape on the slide. Inserting pictures in a slide. Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 offers you two options to add pictures in a slide: from a file saved in the computer, from the internet. To add a picture from a file saved in the computer, insert a slide with title and content layout. On the Insert tab, click on the Pictures button in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Locate and select the desired picture. Click on the Insert button. The selected picture appears on the slide. To insert a picture on a slide from the internet, on the Insert tab, select the Online Pictures option in the Images group. The Insert Pictures pane appears on the screen. Type in the keyword in the Bing image search box. Click on the search button or press the enter key. Select the desired picture and click Insert button. The selected image appears on the slide. Info. You can also insert pictures by clicking on the Pictures or Online Pictures button present on the title and content layout slide. Slideshow. A slideshow means displaying slides one by one in a sequential order on the full screen. Slideshow displays all the slides of a presentation either from the first slide or from the current slide. To run a presentation, follow any of the given options. Click on the slideshow icon on the status bar. Click on the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. On the Slideshow tab, choose a required option in the Start Slideshow group. The various slideshow options are: from beginning, it starts the slideshow from the very first slide. From current slide, it begins the slideshow from the current slide. Present online. This option lets you display a presentation over the internet. Custom slideshow. This option displays only the selected slides in slideshow. Shortcut key. F5 is the shortcut key to run a presentation from the beginning. To start the slideshow from a particular slide, open that slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination. Exiting PowerPoint application. Exiting an application means closing it. To exit PowerPoint application, choose any of the two methods. Method 1. Click on the Close button present on the extreme right side of the title bar. Method 2. Press Alt plus F4 key combination.
Quick recall. Microsoft PowerPoint is a popular presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. PowerPoint presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic format and order. A slide is like a digital page in an electronic presentation. Slides pane is the main working area where you can perform different operations. Placeholders are the text boxes in a slide that can contain text, graphics, tables, pictures, and so on. Slides navigation pane displays the thumbnail view of all the slides of a presentation. A slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components on the slide. Title slide is the default slide layout of an MS PowerPoint presentation. Slide show means displaying slides one by one in a sequential order on the full screen. A PowerPoint file saves with extension .pptx.